Hello, my name is Rachel. I'm the girl with the Pilates mat and welcome to my channel today. We're going to be doing a 10-minute standing Pilates session with the optional use of weights if you wish. This session is for beginners and seniors and also anybody else who wants to do a quick 10-minute workout with weights. These weights I'm using are 1 kilograms each, so that's about 2 pounds. You can go with that, or you can go lighter, use water bottles, or use nothing at all. It's entirely up to you, whatever feels right for you. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, so let's stand with feet hip width apart, drawing the abdominals in. Hands down by your side and turn your palms forward. And we're going to start with a nice simple bicep curl. So we're going to bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. 4, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bringing those hands down. Now turn the palms towards your thighs, shoulders down, and reach those arms out to the side and down. Lifting up and down. Up and down. Left and lower. 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Now we're going to bend the knees gently, bring the arms forward, lift the arms up, take them out to the side and come down. So you're going to breathe in, circle, breathe out to straighten. In, circle, breathe out. Two and 1. Now we're going to try and reverse it. So we're going to take the arms out to the side, forward and down as you straighten the legs. Side, forward and down. Side, forward and down. Side, forward and down. 2 more. Side, forward and down, and side, forward and down. Okay, from here I'm going to go sideways. We're going to take right leg back, left leg forward, bending that left knee. All right, and then think of hinging from the hips. All right, so nice straight back, but we're going to start working our core a little bit as well. And then you're just going to let the arms rest down like so, and then bend the elbows, reach back. And as you reach back, try and pinch your shoulder blades together. And forward, bend. And 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7 and 8, and hold the elbows back. Turn this in. Now just extend from the elbows for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on in, change legs. We're going to repeat that. Okay? So we're leaning forward from the hips. We've got to use the core here. So pull your belly button in towards your spine. Let the arms rest down. Now pull back for 1, for 2, for 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it back there. Lift those elbows. Now reach back. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7 and 8. Well done. Come on in. Excellent. Okay, so from here we're now going to add a little bit of extra work with the legs. So you're going to bend this knee, turn the palms forward. Remember your bicep curl. So we're going to do that, but we're also going to lift the leg. So we're going to lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower for 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Change sides. Same again. Lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. Good. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And come down. Now we're going to take the foot to the side. We're going to put this hand on the hip. Okay, now standing up nice and tall, slight bend of the knee. If that hurts your knee, you can do this with the legs straight, okay? I like to use it with the knee bent because that makes you use your knee muscles. All right, just depends how your knees feel. So hand is on the hip like so, okay? And then we're going to lift the arm and the leg out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swap sides. Here we go. Lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. I'm going to turn sideways because you're going to take the right leg back behind you. Left leg is going to bend at the knee, just a slight bend at the knee. We're going to draw the elbows back. It's going to challenge your balance. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to lift that leg up behind us. Okay, and now we're going to try and extend the arms for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4. Bring the foot down. Take a moment for a little rest. And then we'll do 4 more. So go back onto that front foot. Wait there. Pull the tummy in. Lift the toes off the ground. Elbows back and reach out for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4. Come on in. Change sides. Okay, so bend the knees. So we're doing 2 sets of 4. So to give you a chance to just get your balance. Okay, so think of drawing the elbows back, nice and open across the chest. Float the foot off the floor and then extend for 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest the foot down. Give yourself a little moment. Once again, hinging forward, draw the elbows back, float the foot up. For 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Well done. And come back. Now change feet, change legs. Right leg behind you. Let the weights just hang down now. All right. And then what we're going to do is turn the palms so they face your body. So backs of the hands facing out. And we're going to try and lift the weights and the arms up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down for 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Change sides. Now if that's too much, you don't have to do the leg lift or the arm lift. You can do one or the other. All right, so bend the knee, pull the tummy in, and then we're going to do a little lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, coming in. Okay, from there, Let's bring ourselves back to our standing position. Turn the palms forward and bend at the elbows. Now pull your elbows in to the side of your body. Try and keep them there, holding on to your weights if you have them. You're going to open those arms out to the side and come back. Open and back. Open and back. Open and back. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there in that open position, and now you're going to try and stay nice and open and reach the arms out and bring them back. Out and bring them back. Out and back. Out and back. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And come all the way down. Bring them forward and turn the arms down. Okay, so from here, let's just do a little stretch. So you're going to turn the palm back out of this hand and you're going to lift the arm up. And if you can go all the way up above your head, I want you to do that and just do a gentle stretch over. You don't have to go too far, you'll just feel that stretch. Lift and lower down. Other way. So you turn the palm out, you lift the arm up. Now you can stay there or you can add a side stretch. And then you're going to lift. Lower down. So we have to turn the palm out as we raise the arm up and then over to the side. Lift and lower down. Turn the other palm out, up and over. Lift and down. One more time each side. Good. And down and turn, lift and over and up and down. Good. So we're going to do a little back extension. All right, and for this I'm just going to recommend we just do one weight. Okay, so pop one weight down on the floor or on a chair. You're going to hold the weight like this, okay? And you're going to draw the arms up. So think of that weight facing towards the ceiling. All right, you're going to raise your eye line and then you're going to allow that weight to take you back. All right, so it's a little bit of a back bend. Then you're going to come up and bring the weight down. All right, so you're lifting up. Then think of your rib cage lifting a little further and then eye line lifting. So don't let your head drop back. Think of keeping a long neck at the back and then leaning back up and coming down. So you want to be really careful. There's no compression in the neck. So lifting, and then think of the movement coming from the back of the rib cage. Hand down, and last one. And down. Well done. Let's take that other weight. All right, and let's just finish with some lovely circles. So you're going to bring the arms all the way up and stretch out to the side. Lifting all the way up and out to the side. Can you feel how lovely a stretch that is on that body? Now, if for any reason that range is not working for you, you make it smaller like this, all right? Otherwise, you go to wherever you can get to without your shoulder blades lifting. 2 to go. Up and out and up and out. And there you go. That is your very short, about 10 minutes standing Pilates workout with optional weights. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Please do press the like button before you go, and don't forget, do subscribe if you haven't already. That way you'll get notified every time I do a new workout. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then please do check out my Ko-fi page, where not only will you be able to support me, but you'll also get an insight into all the other things going on in my life. I talk about nutrition, health, culture, all kinds of stuff. So if that's something that appeals to you, then do check out the Ko-fi page. Take care, and I'll see you soon.